Input devices. Number one is keyboard. A keyboard is an essential input device used to communicate with computers and other digital devices. It consists of a set of keys, each representing characters, numbers, and commands, arranged in a specific layout, typically the QWERTY format. Keyboards can be mechanical, featuring individual switches for each key, or membrane-based, where keys are pressed on a flexible surface. Number two is mouse. Mouse is a versatile pointing device that enables users to interact with graphical user interfaces on computers. It typically consists of two buttons, left and right, and a scroll wheel, which allows for easy navigation through documents and web pages. The mouse operates by translating physical movement on a surface into cursor movement on the screen, facilitating actions such as selecting objects, clicking buttons, and dragging items. Number three is joystick. Joystick is a control device that provides an intuitive way to navigate and interact with computer applications, particularly in gaming and simulations environment. It typically features a stick mounted on a base, which can be moved in various directions to control movement within a game or simulation. Joystick often include additional buttons to perform specific actions, providing a more immersive experience in flight simulators and arcade games. Their ergonomic designs allows for precise control, making them a preferred choice for tasks that require fine motor skills and quick reflexes. Number 4 is Light Pen. A light pen is a specialized input device that allows users to interact directly with the computer screen. Resembling a traditional pen, it uses a light-sensitive detector to sense the light emitted by the display when it touches the screen surface. This enables users to draw, annotate, or select items directly on the display, making it particularly used in graphic design, computer-aided design, and other applications that require precise input. Number 5 is trackball. Trackball is a stationary input device that consists of a large ball housed in a socket, allowing users to control the cursor by rotating the ball with their fingers. Unlike a traditional mouse, which requires movements across a surface, the trackball remains fixed in one place, making it a convenient option for limited desk space or specific ergonomic needs. Trackball are favored in various professional environments, such as graphic design and video editing, where precision and control are paramount. Number 6 is scanner. A scanner is an electronic device that captures and converts physical documents and images into digital formats. It works by using a light source to illuminate the document and a sensor to capture the reflected light, creating a digital representation of the original. Scanners come in various types, including flatbed, sheet-fed, and handheld, each designed for specific scanning needs. They are widely used in offices and homes for digitizing photographs, important documents, and barcodes, facilitating easier storage, editing, and sharing of information in a digital environment. Number 7 is digitizer. A digitizer is a device that transforms analog signals, such as drawings or gestures, into digital data that can be processed by computers. It typically consists of a flat surface and a stylus, allowing users to create detailed artwork, technical drawings, or annotations with precision. Digitizers are commonly used in graphic design, engineering, and animation, enabling artists and designers to work in a digital medium while maintaining the tactile experience of traditional drawing. Output devices. Number one is television. Television is an electronic device designed for viewing video content, which can include broadcast, streaming services, and recorded media. Modern TVs often feature high definition displays, smart technology, and various connectivity options, allowing users to access a wide range of entertainment sources. With advancements such as 4K resolutions and OLED technology, TVs provide vibrant colors and sharp images, enhancing the viewing experience. Number two is USB drives. USB drives, also known as flash drives or thumb drives, are portable storage devices that use flash memory to store and transfer data. They connect to computers and other devices via USB ports, providing a convenient way to back up files, share documents, or transfer data between devices. Number three is plasma monitor. A plasma monitor is a type of flat panel display that utilizes plasma technology to produce images. These monitors consist of thousands of tiny gas-filled cells that emit ultraviolet light when electrically charged, causing phosphors to glow and create vibrant colors. Plasma monitors were popular for their excellent color, accuracy, and wide viewing angles, making them ideal for watching movies and playing video games. Number 4 is projector. A projector is a device that displays video games or presentations into a surface, typically a screen or wall. It works by projecting light through a lens system, creating a large image that can be viewed by an audience. Projectors are widely used in educational settings, business presentation, and home theaters, allowing for versatile display options. Number 5 is speaker. Speaker are audio output devices that converts electrical signals into sound waves, allowing users to listen to music, movies, and other audio content. They come in various forms, including portable Bluetooth speakers, studio monitors, and home theater systems, each designed for specific audio experiences. The quality of sound produced by speakers can vary based on factors like size, designs, and technology used, with high-end speakers providing clearer and more accurate sound reproduction. Number 6 is monitor. A computer monitor is a screen used to display visual output from a computer or other devices. Monitors come in various sizes and resolutions, with options ranging from standard HD to ultra high definition. They use different technologies such as LCD, LED, and OLED to produce images with varying levels of brightness, color accuracy, and energy efficiency. Monitors are essentials for tasks such as browsing the internet, graphic design, and gaming and productivity, providing users with a visual interface to interact with digital content. Number 7 is printer. A printer is a peripheral device that produces physical copies of digital documents and images. Printers comes in various types including inkjet, lasers, and thermal printers, each suited for different printing needs. Inkjet printers are commonly used for high-quality photo printing, while laser printers are favored for fast, high-volume text printing. Storage devices. Number 1 is hard disk. A hard disk is a primary storage device used to store and retrieve a digital data on a computer. It consists of one or more spinning disks coated with magnetic material, where data is written and read by read or write heads that move across the surface of the disk. Hard disks are known for their large storage capacities, often ranging from hundreds of gigabytes to several terabytes, making them suitable for storing operating system, application, and user files. Number 2 is RAM or random access memory. Is a type of volatile memory used by computers to store data that is actively being used or processed. Unlike hard disks, RAM allows for much faster read and write speeds, enabling quick access to data for running application and processing tasks. Number 3 is ROM or read-only memory. Is a type of non-volatile memory that is used primarily to store firmware or software that is rarely changed, unlike RAM, which is volatile and loses its data when the power is turned off. ROM retains its contents even when the computer is powered down. This makes ROM essential for storing critical system instructions such as BIOS, which is required for booting up a computer. Number 4 is CD or DVD, are optical storage mediums used for storing digital data, including music, movies, and software. CDs, which typically hold up to 700 MB of data, were widely used for audio and data storage in the late 20th century. DVDs with a capacity ranging from 4.7 GB for single layer disk to 8.5 gigabytes for dual layer disk became popular for video content due to their higher storage capacity. Number 5 is floppy. Floppy disks are a type of magnetic storage medium that were widely used for data storage and transfer from the late 1970s through the late 1990s. They typically come in 3.5-inch and 5.25-inch formats, with 3.5-inch disc being the most common, capable of storing 1.44 MB of data. Floppy disks were used for various purposes including software distribution, file sharing, and data backup. Number 6 is memory card. A memory card is a compact storage device used in various portable electronic devices, such as cameras, smartphones, and tablets, to store digital data. These cards use flash memory technology, enabling them to retain data without a power source. Memory cards come in different formats including SD and compact flash, with varying capacities ranging from a few megabytes to several terabytes.